bees, there's not enough pollinated.
The beehive.
Yeah, they're bringing
I
it.
come right next to it. As you can see, I'm not dressed in anything special. The bees won't attack you.
They want to take you.
That one's got very little honey in it.
They're making pulling. They're making the holes. Then the queen comes.
See, even I'm straight next to it. I've got nothing on. The bees won't attack you. It's just a fallacy.
Yeah.
They have no reason to attack you.
That's what the coppers did. They stood out here and they want me to stir my bees up so they can bite the police officers. But my bees are too beautiful. Look. Check the bees.
See how far I am away? I can come here. Look, see? No bee will bite me. Absolutely none. As you can see, look at me from top to bottom. Nothing. Now Rose is checking for honey. She's dancing and I'll dance as well. But this fallacy that bees attack you, no they don't. They're quite friendly.
They got pollen. This one's got pollen. So they're ready to start, because they're very confused because of the, what do you call it? This one is, you could see the pollen. She's preparing and she'll cover the pollen and then they'll start making honey. So we basically, what we'll do, it's not a lot of pollen, so that's the reason I was feeding them with, not the glucosamine, what do you call
Fructose.
it? Sorry?
Fructose.
Yeah, fructose. But they're pretty beautiful girls. Honestly, they work so hard. They survived. That's what survived from. Look, they got full of pollen.
People believe bees will just attack you. No, I'm like a meter away from their hive. They won't attack me. They have no reason to attack me. I'll put my hand right up close. Nothing.
They won't attack you.
See? Nothing. Absolutely. See how close I am to the hive? They won't touch you, the bees.
My girls are very tame. I'm going to give them some fructose later. They get a little bit. Oh, I see what happened here. Needs to go a bit further more.
There's the other hive.
Yeah, it's going to go up the top.
I will take you to have a look inside the other hive. Can you see all the bees are going? I can put my hand right there. None of them will attack me. See? This is a fallacy that bees will attack you.
But the police officer wanted some bites.